(1884). Switzerland is in the full bloom of industrialization. Train lines start connecting the regions, opening up the country for tourism. The century-old democracy finds its current form. 1884. In Ibach, Schwyz, Karl Elsener and his mother Victoria open a cutlery workshop. Karl soon realizes that with standard products he cannot compete with industrial producers. Trusting his skills and innovation talent, he starts developing a new category of knives. A knife that offers as many practical functions as possible in a compact form. In 1897, he is ready. Karl Elsener patented the Swiss offices and sport knife. The rest is history. Over the decades, the knives and tools of the Elsener family become more and more popular. Since then has my heart been I know I must go to After the Second World War, the American GIs bring the original Swiss Army knife to the US. Victorinox starts its triumphant procession around the world. Today, the small red knives from Ibach, Schwyz have turned into an iconic brand. And the success has brought new fantastic products like timepieces, travel gear, fashion and fragrances under the umbrella of Victorinox and Victorinox Swiss Army. They all share the spirit of invention, high functionality, absolute quality, and iconic design. But all our products are not just useful items. In the eyes of our customers, they are more. They are a companion for life. They tell us of memorable moments and touching experiences in which Victorinox made a difference to their life, even saved lives. We want to share these moments and are proud to present to you our new communication platform that puts the stories from customers at its center.
Our train stopped suddenly on the tracks. Smoke coming from one end of the train. The door was locked and the key was upstairs in my room. I was stuck outside in 0-degree weather with a strong wind blowing.
Once I saw something sparkling down below on the seabed. A Victorinox Swiss Army watch.
I normally can stand guests like him, but he was different. Because he smelled really good, which I told him.
My Victorinox luggage has never let me down.
He came back to the restaurant and gave me a lovely little bottle of his perfume from Victorinox.
It saved my life. Your products mean a lot to me.
They are true companions. Victorinox products are a companion for life. What experiences have you had with Victorinox products? Share your story at Victorinox.com.